If you see even a single flea, know that there are already hundreds around you, and you must urgently do this. Fleas reproduce incredibly fast. Just one female can lay up to 50 eggs a day and more than 1,000 in her lifetime. That is why it is so important to act immediately as soon as you spot the first one. Instead of using strong chemicals, today I will show you how to make a powerful homemade repellent that drives fleas away using ingredients you already have in your kitchen. The first ingredient is cloves. You may only use them in the kitchen for cakes or mulled wine, but few people know that they contain eugenol, a natural oil that is one of the strongest natural repellents against fleas and other pests. Eugenol attacks the nervous system of pests instantly. When you grind them, even more of that aromatic power is released, and which literally repels fleas. So put 1 tablespoon of cloves into a grinder now and make a fine powder to extract all their strength. Friends, write in the comments where you are watching from. I love meeting people from all around the world, and your comment really means a lot to me. Now prepare a small pot with about 200 milliliters of water because we want a strong concentrate. Pour in the ground cloves and stir. When the water starts to simmer, add the second ingredient, 1 tablespoon of dried lavender. Its essential oil not only relaxes and gives a beautiful smell, but is also well known for keeping insects away. Lavender has been used for centuries to protect against moths and mosquitoes, and fleas hate it even more. Let it boil for a few minutes so the water can absorb its natural oils. I can already smell the pleasant and strong aroma, but the real power comes in the last step. Once the mixture cools down, strain it. These 2 ingredients already work very well on their own, but what makes the spray truly powerful and turns it into flea enemy number 1 is apple cider vinegar. Just a few tablespoons are enough to boost its effect and leave a smell that fleas cannot stand. In addition to fleas, this also repels ticks, cockroaches, mosquitoes, mites, mice, rats, bed bugs, centipedes, and all other pests. This acidity creates an environment that fleas, ticks, and mites absolutely cannot stand. It destroys their protective wax coating. Now I put everything into a spray bottle, and my homemade repellent is ready. If you like, you can dilute it with water. That is best if you plan to spray it on pets. Later, you can always use a stronger concentrate. Just be careful not to spray near their eyes. I use a small spray bottle that I can carry everywhere, and it works great. I made enough repellent to last a very long time. You can spray it on floors, carpets, or places where pets stay, and it is completely natural and safe for your home. You can even spray it on yourself. If this video saved you a trip to the store, hit that like button and share this with a pet owner who needs it. Stay bug-free, and I'll see you in the next video on how to get rid of cockroaches in the kitchen.